hat. We'll get a hat on. No. We gotta get stuff to make the face.
And they're making a snowman.
We're gonna get a real hat from inside. I'm gonna go get a real hat to put on his head, okay?
But it's gonna go on this.
You guys find some sticks?
Dad, to be on the funny talk show.
I was making a video, Chris.
Huh?
I got it.
Oh, really?
Maybe we could send it to Funniest Videos and make some money. Really?
Let me go get a hat. Don't break my snowman down. My hairy snowman. We're gonna call him Harry.
Yeah, Harry. Tiny. Harry. That's his nickname. It's his. Let's call it Frosty the Snowman.
I'm filming it.
I'm just kidding.
I want to put it on YouTube.
That's his middle name. Yeah, that's his middle name. It's what we named him Frosty the Snowman on his middle name. Look at me. Look at me.
Yeah, you should go check your food.
Oh shit! I'm dumping my food.
Oh my